everyone, so today's video is going to be different, a little from the normal. It's going to be a fishtail, and I know most of you guys who have a rainbow loom and have moved on to the more intricate designs, for example a hibiscus, might think that this is going to be boring, but the fishtail is actually a really pretty one, and it's compact. I like the hexafish, and it's easier than the inverted fishtail if you've watched a video which is up on my channel. But it's really pretty, and I think it looks really good. So I have 3 designs here for you. I have one with a charm, just another one with rainbow, and I just lost some of the colors here, so I don't have many here. And I also have a really long one here that wraps around twice around my neck, but it accounts for 9 fishtails, simply because it wraps 9 times around my wrist. And seriously, this thing took ages for me to make. And it's really pretty when you wrap it around twice around my neck. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the fishtail, and I'll have a video up on my channel soon. I've already made the video on how to do a hexafish. Actually, I made it somewhere in November, but it's taken me ages to get it out. Let's get started. The supplies you will need to make this bracelet are your loom, your hook, a bunch of rubber bands, and for today's video I'll be using a lot of purple. So I'll be doing, my pattern will be 5 purple, then 5 jelly turquoise, then 5 purple again, then 5 jelly ocean blue. All these supplies were purchased from the Rainbow Loom web store. You'll also need a C-clip or an S-clip. And for those of you who don't know what's the difference between a C and an S-clip, the C-clip is the real Rainbow Loom brand, and the S-clip's just not Rainbow Loom brand. Both work just as well, but today, for fishtails, I prefer the S-clips. I have a lot of C-clips, but I think the C-clip should be reserved for a lot of rubber bands in one. So today I'll be using the S-clip. This is going to be my angle for today. So you just want to start by taking off the middle row. And you can take off the middle row by just using your fingers to pop out the center middle row, or you can just use your base remover and do it the slow way. So you're just going to place that in the middle so it's all aligned. And if you want to, you can take out the side row, but I'm not going to today. Sorry about seeing my toe just then. So now we're going to be using these 2 side pegs here. So I'm going to start referring to my chart. I'll be starting with 5 purple, and then I'll go to 5 jelly turquoise, then 5 purple, then 5 ocean blue. So I'm going to start by twisting my purple into the figure 8, and then I'm going to just push it down and place another purple on top of that normally, and then you're just going to place another purple on top of that normally. So this is what it should look, just with 1 X in the center. We're going to get our hook, and we're going to grab the bottom purple and bring it over the top on either side, just like we would have done with the inverted fishtail, and push them down. And then we're going to get another purple and place it on the top, and again just grab the bottom purples and bring them over the top here. So now I've counted 2, 4. So this is going to be my last purple I'm going to place on. So I'm going to push all the purples down and place another one on normally, and then you're just going to grab the bottoms and bring them over the top. So now you're just going to push down, and now I'm going to refer to my chart, and it says 5 jelly turquoises. So I'm just going to grab a jelly turquoise, but I'm not going to twist it. I'm just going to place it on normally and grab the bottom purples and just bring it over the jelly turquoise. And then I'm just going to get another one, and you're basically just going to repeat the step, and you want to make sure every time that you hook it over, that before you hook it over, you have 3 layers of rubber band on either side. So now I've just counted 1, 2, 3. So I've done 1, I've done 3 turquoise rubber bands, so I'm just going to push it down. I'm going to add 1 more on the top, so this will be my 4th. And then I'm just going to add the last one on the top, which is going to be my last one. So I'm going to hook it over the top, and you can push it out here and just pull it down. And so now I'm just going to refer to my chart, and that just says 5 jelly purples, like so. So I'm just going to push this down and add another jelly purple on the top normally. And we're just going to grab the bottom ones and bring it over the top. So basically repeating this step until you've got the length of your fishtail. And it's just basically really easy step. So you can choose any colour scheme you like, and make sure that you keep track of your numbers. So I've done 2 purples there, so I'm just going to add 1 more purple over the top, and I'm just going to be grabbing the bottoms over the tops. So now I've done 3 purples, and so I'm going to add the 4th, and again grabbing the bottoms over the tops, and then last but not least the 5th. So because it's the same step repeating and there's really nothing different to what we're going to be doing except at the end, I'll fast forward from here. So once you've got to your desired length, and this is what mine looks like, and I really like the look of it, and what you want to do is you want to hook over the last of your 3 bands. So now you have only 2 bands left. Now you just want to grab the bottom and hook it over, so you only have 1 band left. And now you just want to grab this one with your hook and take it off, and then you want to go in and take it off. So both should be on your hook. And now what you want to do is you want to check that it fits your wrist. And mine fits mine perfectly. So now what you want to do is you can either do it on the hook or carefully remove it from the hook by pinching it together. Make sure nothing comes out or your whole bracelet will fall apart. And you want to get the pinch part and put it on 2 fingers or on 2 pegs on your loom. And we're going to be taking your S or your C clip, and it doesn't matter, and we're going to stretch it out and put it on here, like so, on one side. So it should look like this. And now you want to get the other side, the capping band, and you want to find your loom, or you can do this on your fingers, and I'll show you how to do it on your loom. You want to put it on your loom, and you can either stretch it out like this, or you can put it on 2 pins. And now you just want to bring it over, find the other side of the S or the C clip, and you just want to, put it on. Once you think you've got securely on, you can remove it. And you have created your fishtail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed your fishtail. I really like my fishtail too. And if you have any comments, please comment down below in the comment box. Happy looming. Please share this video with your friends, and yeah, see you next time.